Our plant in Fürth is quite a special one, since we not only make our own products for our own business units, but we also act as a manufacturing service provider, producing everything from sophisticated industrial electronics to engineering-based systems for the entire Siemens organization. The nature of our business is low-volume, high-mix. That means we face volatile demands, especially on account of the wide range of products and technologies involved. The main problem is that our production has no repeat aspect, which means new challenges and different situations every day, especially in the delivery and working areas. We have about 2,500 boxes at our production facility, with new content coming in every day. That means a lot of time in our production is spent on searching, and therefore many activities are not effective. Here in Fürth, we need a system that will tell us the current location of our approximately 2,000 material boxes flexibly and in real time. The Siemens RTLS real-time locating system from Siemens is very well suited to this task. The Siemens RTLS system operates using gateways and transponders. Transponders are attached to boxes, for example, and gateways are fixed in place in the hall. Thanks to the gateways, we're now capable of locating our transponders live in the hall environment. The gateways transmit the location information to the RTLS middleware from Siemens. From there, the data is forwarded to selected systems which display it for the employees. That means we can view the positions of all the boxes that belong to a particular order. Siemens RTLS truly supports us in practice. At all times we have information about where the boxes are located and how long they have been here in production. That means I spend less time searching and can locate my boxes directly. The system runs automatically in the background at all times. What that specifically means is that we can respond more quickly to product changes. The obvious result is that throughput times are improved, and I can focus more on my actual tasks. Because we're still only at the beginning with Siemens RTLS, it's great that we have a chance to contribute here and help take the system further. We provide input about other areas where we could utilize the system and which other functions which would be useful for our day-to-day work. The Siemens RTLS infrastructure can be utilized for many different use cases. For example, we want to synchronize control over our various AGV systems. In the future, we'll be able to have an AGV wait at a particular point in case a tugger train is causing a blockage in the area. And the AGV can also dynamically select a different route. We believe Siemens RTLS offers all kinds of potential for our low-volume, high-mix production. And we're looking forward to making our production unit more transparent, more flexible and more efficient step by step.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.